Tragic love life of Shahid Kapoor. Kareena Kapoor Khan. Kareena was the most serious girlfriend and also played an important role in Shahid's life. Shahid was heartbroken when Kareena broke up with him. In an interview, Shahid conveyed that it was totally an unexpected step as they had a lavish wedding plan. This much-loved couple of Bollywood were together for almost 5 years and never shared screen after Jab We Met. Priyanka Chopra. Priyanka and Shahid met during the shooting of Kameene and both were quite serious about their relationship. These two big stars were in a live-in relationship because Priyanka was even found at Shahid's apartment during an IT raid. Being ambitious, Priyanka wanted a successful and rich boyfriend, but at that time, Shahid was facing a massive downfall. Reportedly, it was Priyanka who broke up with Shahid because of her own career's sake. Rishita Bhatt. Rishita was doing modeling when she met Shahid. Shahid was also struggling those days as a background dancer. They both were cast in a music video and their love story started from the shooting floor. Both Shahid and Rishita were too young to fall in love. Soon after, when Shahid got his first blockbuster film Ishq Vishk, they were never seen together. Amrita Rao. Amrita and Shahid met during the filming of their super hit film Ishq Vishk. Their friendship didn't take a long time to turn into love. During the shooting of Viva, this rumored couple was getting closer. They never wanted to reveal their secret fling ever in Bollywood. According to the reports, after breakup with Kareena, Shahid started showing interest in Amrita. But with Amrita, it didn't work at all. Sania Mirza. Sania and Shahid were spotted together in B-Town and they were allegedly dating for some months. Their rumored affair made a real buzz in Bollywood, but these two high-profile celebrities never confessed their relationship officially. Vidya Balan. They met during the shooting of Kismat Connection and both look really on-screen for their long age gap. Shahid made a controversial comment about Vidya's weight and it ruined their romantic relationship. Sonakshi Sinha. Their friendship turned into a short fling during the shooting of R. Rajkumar. They dated each other for a short period. Even Shahid hosted a huge birthday party in Goa for his rumored girlfriend Sonakshi. Anushka Sharma. Shahid and Anushka were seen together smooching in a private party during the shooting of Badmaash Company in 2010. Bipasha Basu. The lovebird Shahid and Bipasha were getting close while shooting their film Shikhar. Bipasha was in a live-in relationship with John and for this reason, Shahid couldn't commit to Bipasha. Nargis Fakhri. Reportedly, Shahid and Nargis were alleged in a live-in relationship for a few months. This relationship too didn't work for Shahid and they broke up. Meera Rajput. Meera and Shahid got hitched in 2015 and have been together for the last 5 years. They are now proud parents of 2 beautiful kids. Write your thoughts in the comment section and please subscribe our channel for more updates.